All right, y'all. I just came home from a little outing, and don't mind the garage. I know it's a little messy. I just got my box in from PXG. I wanted a second driver or a new driver and then have my current driver updated. So yes, I went with my company that I got fitted with. And I got the PXG Lightning driver. So I can't wait to open this baby up and try it out. PXG. Here we go. Open up. Yeah. They did me solid. They did me solid. Oh, baby. Got the nice thick grip. Oh, can't wait to try this out. 10.5 loft. The new Lightning drivers. I will try this out the second I can. And I'll let you guys know how it works for me.